different ways to use switch words. Switch words are open to all. Their use causes no harm, so feel free to use them to improve any situation. Switch words have no hard and fast rules. 5 powerful ways to use switch words in daily life. Watch till end to see my favorite method on using switch words. 1 journal method: write them down daily in a journal. 2 body method: some say write them on your skin, preferably left side. 3 easy method: create energy circles with switch words. 4 write on water bottle: make sure water level was above switch words for at least 1 minute. 5 wall method: write it on walls which you see frequently. Choose one or use all of them. Which is my favorite magic method that works? This is based on my own observations and those of others. With earphones, I prefer to listen to 28 chants 3 times daily. The reason is we focus on switch words and avoid distractions and counting. No need to count as all my videos have 28 or 108 chants. Just listen. Subscribe me on YouTube for powerful switch words chants.